Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video. This is Paracoot Tips, and in this video I'm going to share my honest thought about the Tikom G8000 Pro Mop and Floor Sweeper. I'll discuss what I like and what I don't like about it and whether it's worth buying it. If you haven't already, check out my previous video where I did a unboxing a reveal of the unit and to see what comes in the box. So as I mentioned, this is an honest review of the Tikom G8000 Pro Robot Mop. I've been using it for about a week now, and I'm genuinely impressed with how well it cleans the floors, especially considering its affordable price. From my experience, it does a great job both sweeping and mopping the floor. What's cool about the unit is its smart technology using a gyroscope to move around in a zigzag pattern. I've noticed significant improvement in the cleanliness of my floors, and it even handles vacuuming carpet as well. It's thorough, especially along the edges. It covers the entire floor space. You can also control the unit using the Tua Smart app. You can download that off the if you have Android, you can download off the Play Store. Also, if you have iPhone, you can also install it from the iOS store as well. Usually, you can control it obviously through your from home, or if you're at work, you can control the unit. Personally, I like my floor super clean when I come home, so I often schedule it around 8 o'clock when there's not a lot of people walking around the house. So I usually schedule it at 8 p.m. daily. The unit can run for a maximum of 2 hours and 30 minutes. And when it's low on power, it returns back to its base so it can get charged. I really appreciate the features of the app, like showing a floor plan of the clean area. It's handy. Now, let's talk about what I don't like about it. It's not so much about the unit. It's so much about it's about pretty much the furnitures in my house, like the living room couch, which the unit gets stuck under. But I did a workaround, so I don't have that issue no more. I'll share that in another video how I got around with that, because sometimes if you have couches that have stuff underneath it, because we have a kind of like a rug in the middle of our living room, and it goes underneath our couch, and sometimes the unit get underneath there, but I have a workaround where I prevent that from happening. So now I don't have that issue. The package also includes a magnetic strip that you can place on the floor, and what that is kind of like a barrier, like kind of like a wall, so that when the unit gets close to the magnet, it turns back around. That's also a workaround too. So that's my only complaint. Of course, after cleaning, it's essential, very important to empty out the trash bin and refill the water container. Plus, remember to clean the unit so that the unit can last long for optimum performance. Lastly, the unit notifies you if it gets stuck, if you remove the water container, the reservoir, or the trash dispenser. Both from the unit, and also you get that message also via text messaging too. So in conclusion, after a week of using this unit, I'm very impressed with its cleaning abilities, the coverage, the scheduling option, and the overall simplicity. So if you're in the market for a budget-friendly robot floor mop, I would definitely recommend it. So again, I thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye.